Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Farlight 84 crashing or not launching on your Android devices. So if you are also want to play the game but stuck on not launching error or showing crashing issue, then go through the methods in this video. So first what you need to do is restart your device once. For that, you need to simply click on power and volume up button, and after that click on restart option. Here your device will restart after your phone restarts. Now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, the next solution suggested is to check network connection. For that, make sure your network connection is enough to play the game. If you are using mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, but make sure there is a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. After that, the next solution is to force stop Farlight 84. For that, you simply click on the game icon over here, then click on I option over here, and then here click on force stop, and then OK. This will force stop the app. After that, try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, then again go to the app icon in the home screen, and then go to the app info. After that, click on storage and cache over here, and then click on clear cache. This will clear the cache of the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if crashing issue is fixed. Next solution is to check and update Farlight 84. For that, go to Google Play Store, search for Farlight 84, and here check if there is any update available. If there is any update, simply update the app or game, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution suggested is to check whether your phone OS is updated or not. For that, go to settings, go below and click on system update option, and here you should check if there is any update available. If there is any update, simply update your phone OS to latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if the solution works. If not, you should also check storage space on your phone. For that, go to the settings and then go to RAM and storage. It may be different for different phones, so you should check it if there is enough storage available to play the game. If there is less space, simply delete the unwanted files or apps from your device, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If nothing goes your way, then it's time to reinstall the Farlight 84 game. For that, simply click on the game icon over here, and then click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. This will remove the game from your mobile phone, and after that again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Farlight, and after it comes, simply click on install option. Once you install the game, now try to launch the game and check if you can play the game without any crashing or not launching error. So all these are the fixes for Farlight 84 crashing on Android devices. So that's all for now. Thank you.